In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Meta AI translation. By the end, you'll know exactly how to translate text right from your web browser using Meta's simple chat-style interface, plus a few tips to get clear, accurate results. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to meta.ai. Once the page loads, you'll land on a clean chat window. This is where all the action happens. There's no complicated setup and no extra menus to dig through. Think of it like messaging a very knowledgeable language assistant. In the message box, type your request in plain, natural language. You can be as direct or as conversational as you like. For example, you could write, "Translate this to Spanish. I am learning English." You might try, "Translate to French. Where is the nearest train station?" Or ask, "What is thank you very much in Japanese?" The key is to state the target language and provide the exact phrase or sentence you want translated. If your text is longer, just paste it in. Meta AI can handle full sentences and short paragraphs. If you have a specific preference like formal or casual tone, include that in your request so the translation fits your context. After you've written your prompt, press Enter. Meta AI will respond almost immediately with the translated text. Read it over, and if you need a variation, such as a more formal version, a simpler choice of words, or a regional preference, follow up in the same chat. You can say things like, "Make it more formal, use simpler vocabulary," or "use European Portuguese," and Meta AI will refine the result. If you're learning the language, you can also ask for a brief explanation of keywords to understand why certain choices were made, all within the same conversation. A quick but important note about limitations on the web. Meta AI translation here is text-based only. It does not translate live audio or video in real time in the browser. Those real-time or media-based features are generally part of Meta's mobile experiences, such as in certain social or messaging apps. On desktop and web, think of it as a fast, reliable text translator and language helper. That's it. Open meta.ai, type what you want translated with the target language, press Enter, and adjust the result with simple follow-up prompts. With this approach, you can translate everyday phrases, travel